Information about Acer monspessulanum. Acer monspessulanum, commonly known as the Montpellier maple, is a species of maple tree native to southern Europe and western Asia. It belongs to the family Sapindaceae and is a small to medium-sized deciduous tree, typically growing up to 15 to 20 meters tall. The leaves of Acer monspessulanum are typically 5 to 10 centimeters long and wide, with 3 lobes that are rounded or slightly pointed at the tips. The upper surface of the leaves is dark green and glossy, while the lower surface is lighter and covered with small hairs. The leaves turn a yellowish-orange color in the autumn. The flowers of Acer monspessulanum are small and greenish-yellow, and appear in early spring before the leaves emerge. They are followed by winged fruits, known as samaras, which are 2 to 3 centimeters long and have a reddish-brown color. Acer monspessulanum is a hardy and adaptable tree that can grow in a range of soils and climatic conditions. It is often used as an ornamental tree in parks and gardens due to its attractive foliage and form. The wood of Acer monspessulanum is hard and dense, and has been used in the past to make furniture, musical instruments, and tool handles. Overall, Acer monspessulanum is a valuable and attractive tree species that provides numerous ecological, aesthetic, and economic benefits.